everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to moisturize your hands properly. And these will be the easiest instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. In order to moisturize your hands, all that you need are your hands, just as I said over here, your hands, and then some moisturizer. What I have here is just a very simple moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that works for you. It literally doesn't matter. Whatever moisturizer works for you, you can use it. It's totally fine. I just grabbed one, to be honest with you, from my house before I left, but we have like tons of different moisturizers that my wife uses, and I use a couple here or there, but for the most part, for me, I only use it in the winter. My wife uses it like all year long. Anyways, I just grabbed the moisturizer before I left the house, and yeah, this is the one I'll be using for this tutorial. So really easy to do. First and foremost, what you want to do is put a little bit, just a little bit of moisturizer on one hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put, I'll show you how much I'm going to put. Like literally, that's it. Start with that amount. Okay, start with that. Oh, it just, I squeezed it and the moisturizer just flew out and I got a couple of spots on the van of moisturizer now. I'm just going to wipe it up just quickly over here. Not a problem. I'll deal with the rest of it later. Oh man, there's more than I thought. Anyways, that's all the moisturizer. I'll deal with that later, not a problem. That's all the moisturizer that you want on your hand to start off with, okay? So I have it on one hand. Keep note of which hand you have it on. I have it on my left hand currently. So I'm going to just rub it in like this, okay? Just like that. And I'm going to do the tops, okay? No problem. Now what you're going to do is you're probably going to need a little bit more. So now you're going to do some on the other hand. So now I'm doing it on my right hand. About the same amount, give or take. I'm being careful to not make the moisturizer go and squirt out of the bottle everywhere again. Anyways, now it's on my right hand, so the other hand. And do the same thing, okay? Rub the palms and then the tops, okay? Now, once you have the palms and the tops of your hands done, at this point you can assess if you need any more. So myself, right now, my hands are moist enough. I don't need any more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it. So I'm going between the fingers now, just like this. I'm interlocking my fingers just like that, okay? Then I'm going to do my fingertips just like that, okay? And then I'm even going to do my wrists just like that, okay? Very simple. And then you can just sort of rub it all around to make sure you've spread it everywhere just like that, okay? So essentially, you're going to put a little bit of moisturizer on one hand, rub the palms and the tops. A little bit of moisturizer on your other hand, rub the palms and the tops. And then you can figure out if you need more or not. Most likely, you're probably not even going to need any more because you only need a little bit, right? So most likely, you're going to have enough. And you can go ahead and you can rub between the fingers, like I said, between the fingers. You can do the fingertips, just like that. And then you can do the wrists, just like that. And if there's a spot on your hand or hands that is super dry, you can go ahead, you can tackle, I was going to say you can attack that spot, but you can tackle sounds better. You can tackle that spot individually. So let's say this part over here was extra dry, I could tackle this spot individually. And if you need more, then by all means get your lotion or your moisturizer and put a little bit more. But if you don't need more, then you're good. And you're most likely not going to need more because this is, you really don't need that much. So yeah. That's basically it. That's how to moisturize your hands properly. The easiest instructions. Like I said, it's really easy to do. I'm just going to grab this little bit over here so it doesn't, dirty anything else in the van. I'm going to close it up. All right, perfect. So like I said, it's really easy to do. And if you have any extra, by all means, you can put a little bit extra on, but really at the end of the day, you only need a little bit. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And I got nothing else to say, so I'm going to officially roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.